Working remote has organizations at risk for the ever-increasing landscape of cybersecurity threats. Since COVID, and now more than ever, your company has to adapt and update your strategy of continued protection. For the new threats that are present in 2021, eMazzanti is hosting the cybersecurity experts from Watchguard for 2 mission-critical workshops to give you the information you need to protect your organization. Each one of these 60-minute dynamic workshops will inform you on how to implement the tools, best practices, and tips to stay on top of the 2021 cybersecurity threats that could disrupt your business. What will be discussed is the following: 2021 threats and what to look out for, new and improved best practices to keep your digital surfaces attack-free, how you can leverage technology and your critical vendors to help you sleep at night, knowing your firm is safe and secure. Don't bury your head in the sand, or you'll have a high chance of joining the thousands of companies that fall prey to malicious attacks every day. Let us show you how cybersecurity can be effective and easy. Sign up for our February 19th and March 19th workshops. Registration is limited, and if you need a one-to-one session, email to speak to one of our cybersecurity experts at info@eMazzanti.net.